now of night I could call you up. I get angry with athletic ease, with happy miles and Susan Cruz. If I die clutching your photograph, don't call me boring, it's just 'cause I like you. So take me on back and take me back to the place where I can feel your heart. Just the end, just the start of something really, really beautiful. Wrapped up in the stars, something really funny. Won't you? See, I'm a love letter away. Break your name before I say really love you, love you. Now I don't care if you saw. Watch every inch of film flash across your open features. I loved it. No, I don't care if you think I'm eager to shut your eyes. Well, I'm sorry, everybody knows. Bring me in your paradise. Would you believe it? She said in a letter. The ring it nearly weighs her down. She's got another boyfriend. Let your ears and read my lips. Poetry is not a luxury. It's how it brings home. When I really feel what you bring to me, man, it's not a noble animal. Maybe please with me. Won't you come by and see me? I'm never and break your name before I say we love you. Love this just makes me ill. It's dripping from my head, so you're not around to close. It's not too much. Thoughts on liberty. Say there's a place where I seem to sleep in. Said all I found is red as my blood. Will you join me for another round? Haven't had a chance to speak up. Godspeed. I picked up almost every week to feel your touch. What's happened to you in May? You feel better. This just makes me ill. Dripping from my hand, still you're not around to close. Much is longer, said I'm still under you.